In this video, we shall use the data analysis package in Excel to obtain the descriptive statistics of a given data set. So we have a question here, and the question says the following data gives the weight in kg or kilogram or kilo for a random sample of 83 patients in a doctor's clinic. And here we want to obtain the descriptive statistics of the data in Excel using the data analysis package. So what should we do? We need to install this package, especially in a situation where you're working with Excel, the version of Excel that probably the package is not installed already. Then you need to install the package before you could use the package to run the descriptive statistics analysis. So to do this, simply move to the top left. At the top left corner, you will see File and click on this file. When you click on File, go to the bottom left, the last icon, you will see Option. Click on that option. So from the option again, move down at the bottom left to Add-ins. That is the second to the last icon, Add-ins. So click on that Add-in. Then from Add-ins, you can now scroll down to Go. Don't say OK yet. All you need to do is to click on Go. And then you could see the analysis tool pack. So install this, tick it. Once you tick this analysis tool pack, if you need another one, you could still tick it, and then you could proceed to say OK. It will be blinking for a while. That is installing the package successfully in Excel. Now the package has been installed. So go to the top icons and click on Data. And then you could see at the top right, data analysis is showing. So you have the data analysis toolpack to perform the descriptive statistics and other statistical analysis. All right, here is the data set for the weight of the 83 patients in the doctor's clinic. So we have all these observations up till 83. If you want to be sure in Excel, of course, if you enter this information count equal to count, and then you have the values from the first to the last, just to be sure that you're dealing with the correct number of observations. You could see, so we have 83. So count observation is 83. All right, we want to perform the descriptive statistics, which is what we need to do now. So click on this data analysis. And then go to the information you want here. So from the menu, you could see the drop-down menu for the analysis tools under the data analysis package in Excel. So you click on descriptive statistics. This is what we want to do now. And then you say, OK. So the first information, this rectangular box, is for you to impute the range of the data. So I impute it, including the variable name, which is weight measured in kg. So I've imputed the observations. Then next, are these observations that we've just imputed, are they in rows or column? Clearly, they are arranged in column, because in Excel spreadsheet, here are the rows, and then here are the columns. The rows are represented by numbers, so row 1, row 2, row 3, and so on. But the columns are represented using alphabets. Column A, column B, column C, which could also be column 1, column 2, column 3, and so on. So they are arranged in columns. Here, the data set is under column F in the Excel spreadsheet. Then labels in first row, that's correct, because we have weight also included. But if we do not include the data name, or rather the variable name. If the variable name is excluded, then you don't need to tick this box. You can only tick this box if you include the variable name in the input data range. Then the next is where we want our result to be published by Excel. So where should be the output of the analysis? We want it somewhere here. For instance, if we want it in a new worksheet, where, for instance, we have this sheet 1, sheet 2, then the next will be sheet 3. So if we want sheet 3, then we could take this to give you different sheets. But if you want it in a new workbook, then of course you take the new workbook. So it will be in a new Excel workbook. But what we want the result here in the same sheet of the spreadsheet. So I could just click here, and then I tell Excel that I want my result here. Then what kind of analysis do you want Excel to do for you? We need summary statistics. That is the descriptive statistics. So we can have the mean, we can have the median, we can have the mode, kurtosis, and if there is symmetry, and the rest of them, first quartile and the third quartile, or lower quartile and upper quartile, those kind of information. So if we need confidence level of mean, of course, we could also tick these, the Kate largest, Kate smallest, but for now, we don't need all of this. We just need the summary statistics. So we could proceed to say, okay. So we could tell Excel, okay, so that Excel will give us the result. So you could see the descriptive statistics result. Here is the descriptive statistics result for the weight of the 83 patients in the doctor's clinic. Now, I could make it, if you like, we'll expand this so that it will appear more clearly. Could make this more clearly. Again, we could also format this. So you highlight the box, and then you right click, go to the bottom, you will see format cells. Click on border, outline, inside, okay, and it's done for us. Again, if you're happy, you can also color it. So let's assume we're happy with a specific color. Let's assume yellow. If you're happy with yellow, you can always change color if you're not happy with that specific color. So you can see what we've got now. This is the descriptive statistics. Let me also, in this box, if you want to bold it, you could bold it. That's fine. So we could see the descriptive statistics. We got the mean, the standard deviation, we also obtain the standard error, the median, the mode, the standard deviation, the sample variance, the kurtosis, skewness, the range of the data set, the minimum value and the maximum value. So the minimum weight is 42 kilo, while the maximum weight is 90 kilo. You could also see the sum. When you take the total, sum all of this, it will give this value 5,184. And then they count 83 observations. So if you want to also verify this using the inbuilt in Excel, for instance, the mean. So the mean will be the average. And then you take these observations from the first to the last. So you can see that we have exactly the same value for the mean. 62.458, approximately to 3 decimal places. 62.458. Approximate 8 is 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. So that's clear. The same way for the mode, of course, we could get the mode, we could get the range, the minimum, maximum, the kurtosis, the skewness, and so on. Here we have negative kurtosis and positive skewness. So here is how to perform descriptive statistics of a given data set in Excel using the data analysis package. Thanks for watching this video.